What's up, homie? Welcome back. First of all, I want to say Happy New Year. Second, I want to give a live update. So, December, I was gone completely, and some of you might have wondered, where am I? Why am I not posting? And the reason why is because we welcomed a new member to our family. We had a baby boy, so now we're a family of four. It was during Christmas time, and then New Year, and then it was my birthday, so I was pretty busy. But now that we're all settled in, 2025, more videos, more tutorials, more coming for you guys. All right, so I decided for 2025, I'm gonna start with the basics and then work my way up to pro. So I'm gonna teach you guys the basics of Wilcom, and for this video, it's gonna be the run stitch. All right, you guys, I know this drawing is a masterpiece. I made it myself. It was just vectors basically, but I said I'm gonna start making quick and short tutorials. That way we could get the basics down really quick and work our way up to making designs pretty fast. And I'm actually gonna upload the M file that I basically digitized. That way you guys can download it, look at it yourself. All right, so we're gonna click our run tool. Left click is to make straight points. And right click is to make curve point, right? And then if we click it and we click Shift X, basically it does the same thing but backwards. So it goes back to the beginning. So is it the green is where we start, the red is where it ends. And if you click on the other one that we just made and you click H, it starts and ends basically on the reverse point. Okay, so I'm gonna click this and delete it. And this is the design that we're gonna make today. So I'm gonna start with the items that are in the back. So I'm gonna click my run tool and I'm gonna do curve points. So curve, straight, enter. Then I'm gonna do the hair, which is curve, but at the top I'm gonna end it with a straight point. Then curve, straight, curve, straight, curve down, and then straight point. And the same thing over here. Straight. It's okay if it's messy. I mean, you can change it up if you want. Let's see. Curve. Straight. I'm gonna just go with it. Curve. Straight. 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 And then curve. And then straight at the end. Let's see. Curve. Straight. I'm gonna click this and I'm gonna make it curved. Enter. And I could just do basically the face, but we're gonna backtrack. So I'm gonna click on this, Shift X, and I'm gonna click on the hair part, Shift X, and I'm gonna drag it down to the bottom. I'm over here, click this part, Shift X, drag this to the bottom as well. So basically we are gonna make that outline more thick. Okay, now that I'm right here, I'm just gonna do the outline of the head. So I'm right here. I'm gonna click right on the third part right here. And I'm gonna start going around. I'm gonna touch this as well. Curve. Let's see, zoom out. Just curve this. Curve right here. Let's see. It's this. So curve. Let's see if it fixes it. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to make it again. Okay, it did fix it. But I gotta touch like near it. Okay. Enter. I'm right here. I'm gonna click Shift X. And then on the last one, I'm gonna click on my connectors. And I'm gonna click jump. Because if I don't, let's say it's still on run. And then let's say I make this eye part of the circle outline. Curve. Let's see. Okay, let's say I make this. If my embroidery machine will basically from here, when it's done here, it's gonna literally ruin the design because it will run straight across to it. So I'm gonna click on that last part right here of that outline. I'm gonna go to connectors and jump. Okay, and for this one as well, because I want it to stand out, I'm gonna click it. I'm gonna click Shift X, and then I'm gonna click on it, and I'm gonna click on this one too, and I'm gonna click Control D, and I'm gonna move it to this side. Let's see. I think we're here. Okay, so you see this run this run stitch across. We don't want that. So that's honestly one of the best things about it, because Wilcom gives you a heads up that it will run straight across. So I'm going to click on connectors and jump. And now I'm going to do the eyebrows. Curve, curve, straight, straight, right? I'm going to click it, Shift X again. See, connectors, jump. And right here as well. Straight and then curve it. Enter, Shift X. And again, this part gives us a heads up that we have to make it jump. So connectors, jump, pose from this eyebrow. Eye outline, jump. This is what we have now. I'm going to do the nose. Curve, 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 straight. Curve. Curve, straight, curve, curve. Straight, curve, curve. Okay, Shift X. And again, on the last one, we have to do a jump. So let's see where we are right here. Straight, down. Okay, so for this one, I'm gonna start in the middle. I'm gonna go up, Shift X, and then I'm gonna go from here to over here, Shift X, click on it again from the middle to the other side, Shift X. Did I do it? Yeah, I did. Okay, click it again, run stitch down here, Shift X. We'll get on the other side, Shift X. And then honestly, you could just copy it and see where they start. Okay. So this, I could just select all of them, Control D, and drag it to the other side. I think that's fine. So I'm gonna click on the last part right here, connectors, jump, and on this one as well, connectors, jump. And on this one as well, there's gonna be a jump right there. Now we would have to do basically the teeth. So, all right, so for my teeth, they're vectors. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find like the perfect line to start at, and then at the bottom as well, and then for the middle as well, and at the top I'm gonna have to make the lines. Let's see. Just try to find like right in the middle. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on show vectors, but I'm gonna start right here. And at the end I'm gonna make a rectangle, and at the end I'm gonna make this line across and then rectangle. Okay, before we do this, look, the shortcut for it is Shift D. So Shift D would again show me where I was starting then. So right here is the end, and this would be the start. But I'm gonna start right here because at the end I'm gonna make the rectangle. So from here all the way to down over here. So run stitch. I'm gonna click right on the center part. I'm gonna hold Control. I'm gonna go down 2. I'm gonna go over here. Just keep holding Control, and you should be good. Right here. Let's see. At the end, I might not. Oh, sorry. We're already here. So at the end, I'm gonna hit Enter, and then from that same part, actually, I'm gonna click it. I'm gonna click Shift X. It's gonna take me back over here. Let's see. We have to do straight across. So straight across. Actually, I'm just gonna do it to make the rectangle. So down over here, Enter. Click it, and then basically I'm gonna touch all the points. Throw that. So this part, and then go back over here to the top. But I over clicked, so I'm gonna hold Control. I'm gonna go right there, right here. See if I could get it. Okay, there, and then back over here. Enter. Then for this one, I'm gonna click Shift X. And this is what I would end up with. Let me see, how do I get rid of these? Okay, so to get rid of the lines and everything, I would have to click on Control R or click on the show rules and guides, and then I'm just gonna click on my this color, and I'm gonna change it to black, and I'm gonna show you guys. This is what basically what we ended up with our design. All right, so this was a basic tutorial. So if you want to turn on the vectors again, you can either click on the show vectors button or click Shift D. If you want to practice, what I recommend is you mess around with these tools. You click on the rectangle, click on vector outline. It'll make vectors for you, and then you can just digitize this, or click on basic shapes. Let's say like a star. Click on the vector outline, like a star, and there's more basic shapes. Yeah, I think was that a Christmas tree? Yeah, a Christmas tree. Practicing will help you like literally become way better at digitizing. With the straight, once you get like straight points and like cross points and then the backtracking done, we can move on to the fill stitch. All right, that concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. My homework to you guys is to go on Google Images or go on Pinterest, type in simple line art, find an image that you like, download it, import it to Wilcom, digitize it, and then embroider it. I want you guys to know the difference between a run stitch and a run stitch with the backtrack tool, because the backtrack tool helps you make the run stitch well defined. Once you practice and you get better, you'll be ready to move on to the next video. Thank you guys. See you on the next one. Bye.